Hello and welcome to the next video of site-to-site tunneling. In the previous video, we are talking about GRE tunnel between Cisco router on the branch number 1 and HQ, also branch number 2 and the HQ. In this video, we are going to configure GRE tunnel between HQ and FortiGate firewall, which is located at the branch 4, and HQ and Mikrotik router OS, which is located at branch number 3. Okay, let's begin. For the start, let's connect to firewall, admin, okay, config, system, interface, show, edit, port 1, show. Let's see what is the management interface on the firewall. As you can see, it's get. As you can see, the IP is 192.168.30.141. So let's Control V here and use admin and the password. Okay, we are logging on the FortiGate, which is okay. Let's create a tunnel interface between router number 5 and FortiGate. First, let's open the notepad and enable conft interface tunnel 2, because tunnel 0 and tunnel 1 exist on this router. We create tunnel number 2. Okay, tunnel source 10.10.15.2, tunnel destination. I'm not describe this command because we did that in the last video. Okay, tunnel destination 10.10.39 and 2. Okay, IP ADDR 192 20.20.59 and 1. As we deal in the last video, we need to set keep alive to 5 seconds. Okay, let's copy this on the router 5, enable. Oh, we forgot to add subnet mask 0. Okay, and show IP interface brief. As you can see, tunnel 2 is up and running. And okay, let's go to FortiGate, and as you can see, it doesn't have any configuration on it. So first, let's config the interface IP on port 3 and port 2. Network interface port 3, which is, we call it WAN. The IP should be 10.10.39.2 slash 20 sorry 30, and let's enable ping on the interface, and okay, let's go to port number 2, which is LAN, and the IP should be 192.168.19 192.168.19 1/24. Let's enable ping here, and okay, let's go and first ping Cisco router 10.10.15.2. execute ping. As you can see, the ping is not reachable. We need a default route on this router. Let's go to static route, create new, and default route should be goes to 10.10.29. Is it 29? 39, sorry, 39.1, which is reachable from WAN. And okay, let's ping again, execute ping 10.10.15.1. Oh, we must create, there is a problem here. He doesn't know how to. Let's ping its gateway. Execute ping 192.10.10.39.1. It's reachable, but to 10.10.15 it's not reachable. Okay, let's stop the video right there, and I find the problem and I coming back. Okay, you guys, the problem solved, but it's not because of my configuration. After rebooting the firewall, the problem solved by itself. Okay, let's go back to our configuration. Network interface. We config and rename the interface of the firewall, and we create a static route. Okay, now it's let's ping, execute ping 10.10.15.2, which is router number 5. Okay, it's reachable. So let's go and in the CLI, to config GRE tunnel, you need to create GRE interface in CLI. So let's go config system GRE tunnel, edit the name, we name it GRE, and set interface. The WAN interface is port number 3. So port number 3, set local GW is the local site 10.10.39.2, set remote GW 10.10.50, sorry, 15.2, okay, which is router number 5. Okay, and end. Now if we close CLI and refresh this page, there will be a GRE interface tunnel. Okay, we call it there is no need to rename the interface. Let's set the IP address on the interface 20.20. This area is 9, this area is 5. Okay, 59, 59, 9, and the remote side is 20.20.59, 5 slash 24, 24, 30, sorry, 24. Let's enable ping and OK. Now let's ping the other side of the tunnel. Execute ping 20.20.59.5, which is not reachable. Oh, sorry, there's a problem with the router. In the router 5, it doesn't. What is the IP address? Show IP interface brief. As you can see, we set 59.1. So sorry about that. Conft interface tunnel 2 IP ADDR 20.20.20. Sorry, 20.20.59.5 255.255.255.0. And now let's ping again. Okay, it's reachable from here. Let's ping firewall from here. Ping 10.20.20.59.9. It's reachable and it's okay. So the GRE tunnel between FortiGate and the router is up and running. Okay, let's go and create another configuration for Mikrotik router OS. Here is the tunnel number 3. The IP should be here. The destination is 38.2 and the IP is 58.5. Okay, keep alive is 5 and Control C. Let's go to router number 5 and right click here. Sorry again, because of 255.255.255.0. Show IP interface brief. Tunnel 3 is up and running. Okay, now let's go to Mikrotik router OS. We have a Winbox. Let's connect to it. Okay, interface. We need to add a new GRE tunnel. We call it GRE again, and local address is 10.10. Let's ping first. Tools ping 10.10.15.2 is reachable. Okay, as you can see, the EIGRP is make the port very easier. Okay, 10.10.15 38.2 and the remote side is 10.10.15.2. keep alive is 10. Okay, and okay. Now As you can see, it's running and enabled. So let's ping again. Let's set the IP on the interface. As you can see, I already configured the GRE interface from the last test that I run before. Okay, this is the IP 20.20.58.8. Okay, let's go and tools ping 20.20.58.5. As you can see, it's reachable. Okay, and the tunnel between um, each site is up and running. Let's show you that. Now we create 4 tunnel between these sites, this site, this site, and this site. Now we need to configure OSPF routing protocol to make routing more easier in the company. Okay, let's clear the screen and begin with router number 5. Okay, let's go to router number 5, enable show IP interface brief. You guys, after pause the video, I noticed that I choose the wrong IP for tunnel, and I choose 1 for tunnel 0 and tunnel 1. So I changed the IP address. Also on the other side, on the router number 6 and 7, I set 2, which I changed them to 6 and 7. It doesn't change any configuration of OSPF, but I think I should tell you that. Okay, let's go to OSPF conft. Okay, let's go to Notepad. It's better. Bring up the Notepad, enable conft router OSPF1 router ID 5555 network 20.20.56.5.255.255 sorry 0.0.0.0 area 0. Okay, let's copy this and paste it 5 times. Okay, 57 and 58 and 59. This is all the tunnel interface that we created on this router. Also, we have a local interface which is going to be this side. So let's go and set 192.168.50 0 0.0.0.255. Okay, now the configuration is done. We need to specify passive dash interface gigabit ethernet. As you know, we doesn't want anyone from the client, for example, uh, have access to create neighborship with our OSPF. So we uh, we we choose a passive interface which is block such a access. So our clients on HQ sit on interface 0/1. Okay, Let's go and copy this and right click here. Okay, and let's show IP OSPF neighbor. As you know, there must be no neighbor here, which is right. Okay, let's go and put it here. Let's bring up router number 6. Sorry, what happened here? Enable show IP interface brief. Okay, let's go and copy this, put it here, and the router IP should be, must be actually 6. Also, there is only one tunnel interface, and the passive interface is gigabit ethernet 0/1, network 20.20.56.6, which is okay, and 60 also okay. Let's copy this and paste it here. Oh, sorry, conf t. Now it's okay, and now we must have one adjacency message 555 at loading to full, loading down. Okay, if you now check show IP OSPF neighbor, we have a one neighbor which is 555, is the state is full, it's that time, the interface, and the IP address. Okay, if we do this command again, the time is changed. Okay, let's go to router number 7. Let's copy this and paste it here. The ID changed to 7, 57, and 7, and 70. Okay, let's go to router number 7 here. Enable conf t, and copy this, right click here, done. And now there is another adjacency. If we go on router number 5 and show IP OSPF neighbor, we have two neighbor. Okay, that's fine for now. Let's go. So this router has two tunnel link with router number 6 and router number 7, which is we use OSPF to create adjacency and neighborhood, which is working fine. As you can see, we have tunnel 1 and tunnel 0. Okay, let's go to FortiGate. On the FortiGate, as you know, we have a tunnel interface named GRE. Let's go to OSPF. On the OSPF, first we need to choose an ID. Based on the scenario, it should be 9. Okay, 9999. Let's create area 0, which is the main area. Okay, now we need to specify each network on each area. 192.168 and 19.0/24, which is okay. And also the tunnel interface 20.20.59.0/24. and it's okay. Let's go on the interface and add the interface GRE on, and select GRE and put it on OSPF. Also, let's add LAN interface, which is LAN, and there is no need to configure authentication on OSPF. This video can be about authentication on OSPF, but we doesn't uh, concern to configure it right now. Okay, done, and that's it. We need to specify which interface act as a passive interface, which is LAN. Okay, I selected before, and done. As you can see, everything okay. Let's go to router number 5. We must see 9.9.9 on the neighbors. Okay, it's okay. We done for here. Let's go to Mikrotik router OS. Connect it to it. Let's go to IP routing OSPF, which is this window, and select interface. Press GRE, and we doesn't check passive. Also select LAN. We check passive for this interface. Okay. Instance, the name of the Mikrotik is 8.8 on the OSPF routing protocol. The network that we are going to redistribute is 20.20.58.0/24. Okay. Also 192.168.18.0/24, and done. Area, the area must be okay. Now the backbone is area 0. Okay, and let's see if we have, yeah, we have a neighbor here, which is router number 5, and if you go to the router 5, you see another neighbor. Let's check it here, which is okay. Now it's for example, we ping from VPC number 2 VPC to VPC number 1. Let's go here, IP show. The IP is okay. Ping 192.168.15.50.10. Oh, ping is reachable. Let's trace it to see what paths we are going. 10. Okay, as you can see, first go to its gateway and the tunnel and the destination. If you ping, for example, VPC number 3, 17.10. Now it passes 2 hop. As you can see, first, on the first scenario, the packet goes from, actually let's create an imaginary tunnel. This is another tunnel. Okay, now let's, in the first ping from this PC to this VPC, packet goes here and then goes through the tunnel and reaches here, which is 3 hops. Okay, but in this scenario, in the second one, packet first go, what a bad color, better. First, go through this tunnel, reaches here, then goes to this router, and then reach to this VPC. As you can see, this router can be a bottleneck in our scenario, and if turn down this router, all of the connection will down. Okay, um, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.